birthday presentation. Today, our theme is Santa Cruzan, to relive a very special tradition. Later, while we are having our merienda, we are going to present a very colorful pageant. On June 27, that would be Saturday, in this hall, from 12 noon to 5 p.m., you are all invited to attend a free social dancing with free food to be sponsored by the Canadian Diabetes Association. In fact, FYSS is proud to have their development coordinator who will render a vocal solo for us today. Please welcome Sandra Tate.
Some other activities that we have today. Sandra Tate is not able to be here today, so sorry about that. But she will be here on the 27th of June. Please don't forget about that. Mark it in your calendar. Thank you.
From our forever friend, our President, Romy Mercado.
Mapakinggan eh. Okay ba? O, ang pagbabalik ni Clemente. Yung naririto ngayon lahat. Maligayang pagdalo sa inyo sa aming buwan ng pagtitipon ng Forever Young. Welcome to the monthly function of Forever Young. In person, let me acknowledge the presence of our community leaders, starting with the Councilor Hopeful, Ray Umlas, and Mrs. Jing Umlas. And Rose Salanga. Nandito ang presidente ng Pilcanes, Madam Erla de Peralta. Kasama yung better half niya, siyempre, andyan si Mr. Delpin Arciaga. Ang presidente ng Filipino Zodiac Circle, Ching Hipol. Tsaka yung two vice president, si Sip Ambega, saka si Mrs. Estrada. Mrs. Hindi naman kayo dyan. Kayo naman naman. And ang tinaguriang reyna ng mga reyna, Lina Donesa. Andito ang pagbabalik ni Clemente, si Governor Clemente Santiago and his partner, si Kanati Santiago. Andyan din, Osme, yung dating presidente ng Pilcanes, Osme Malapitan, and Margie Malapitan. O, meron pa, wala pa si Oscar eh. Andito na ba si Oscar? Nandito yung Vice President ng Filipino Seniors Club, si Rudy Cajete. Teka muna, nakabalik ka na ba eh? Wala ba kasi yung presidente ng Maharlika Club? O, andi dito yung mga representative ni Oka. Sa mga...
Nawawala!
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyong mga tulong. Thank you for attending and coming our April 17 Dance Omania. At bago po ang lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat doon sa mga tumulong na ma-dispose yung ticket natin. Unang-una na yung dependable and masipag na direktor ng FYSS, si Nene Avila Jimena. Salamat, Nene. Ang susunod na ano niyan, si Rose Title. Nasaan si Rose? And si Teresa. Teresa, salamat ha. Teresa, salamat po sa pag-dispose ng ticket. And then si Tessie Hegel. Wala ka rito si Tessie Hegel eh. Laurie Baula and Dr. Baula. Siya po yung nagpatugtog dito ng music. Dati nang gano'n si Architect Baula eh. Nung nag-ano kami sa Las Vegas, siya rin nagpatugtog sa bus. Thank you, Architect. Boss, thank you. And I would like to announce to everybody that we have reconstructed and upgraded our website, www.Forever Young Senior Society. In-update po natin yan. And we reconstructed and upgraded our website to keep up with the fast growing internet technology with the trends and innovation. Meron po tayong inadya na mga yung additional features like yung blog. Meron po tayo ngayong blog space doon wherein you can make your own blog.